I want to show you guys one of my favorite fall looks using some of my favorite products right now. It's really simple and easy. I really like this IT Cosmetics CC cream. It's color correcting. It gives you that, full coverage that you're looking for. It's got 50% SPF, so you really can't go wrong with that. And I just apply it, just like one pump goes honestly a really long way. And I like to apply it with a flat brush. Sometimes I dot it on my face first. And I used to use a makeup sponge. You can use either one. All my makeup sponges are dirty, so. But it gives really good coverage. I use this Hourglass setting powder. I don't know why I didn't film it, but it works really well. And just like always, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in medium brown. And I just outline what I want it to look like, and then I fill it in with natural looking brush strokes. Some Anastasia brow gel because ain't no sweat gonna bring us down. I've been loving MAC lately. I was traveling a lot, surprisingly, with COVID, and the airport, you can't get away without like shopping, just seeing if they have any discounts, which they didn't, but I still bought a lot, including this Fleur Power Powder Blush. I'm loving putting blush on before I do my contour because I like to bring the contour up into the blush itself. I feel like this is like a really pretty girly color. Like so. And then we want to warm that up, right? So we take the same MAC Cosmetics. I bought a lot. And we use our contour brush. And I start at the bottom of the blush to make it like a hard contour line, and then I push it up softly into the blush, like that. Extra powder on the forehead because I'm not trying to sweat. And I like to contour just a little bit right here, make my jawline look snatched, if she can. And that is how we contour the nose. If you want to add a little bit there, you can. Just make the lips look larger too. I mean, while we're at it, we might as well. This is the MAC Cosmetics highlighter, and it's got a little bit of pink in with the gold, which I just think adds to the blush that we just did. I'm trying to bring the summer vibes into fall. Like, I don't understand why we need to just like ditch every good thing that we had, like our tans, and just give it up. So hold on to it as long as I can. Right over the cheekbone. And this brush I particularly like. It's really dense. Sometimes I'll, even if I'm being more specific with my highlighter, I'll use a really dense eyeshadow brush. Those fluffy ones just don't do the trick. It's just like getting it everywhere. I'm like, no, I need to see the glow. Right on the tip. Boop. Hey, look, I like this Huda Beauty palette. I use this, I try to keep the palette that I'm using the most like in my, easily accessible drawer. And these are some really pretty everyday warm tones that I really like. And then, of course, you can make it party at night with the bright shades there. Okay, so I'm gonna do the sandalwood shade. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. I used to think brown made my eyes look muddy, because my eyes were like hazel, but now they're more green, and I like it. I'm just blending that on the lid, and then taking the edge of the brush and slowly making tiny circles to blend it out into the crease. It's kind of like a blown out brown, but natural, I'm gonna do the same thing and go under the eye. again with the tip so that it don't go everywhere. Okay. And then now we go in with this darker shade, this, you see that? Henna. We go a little deeper, just here in the crease. Don't be too heavy-handed. This is everyday makeup, this is easy. This is 2 colors. You can do it, si se puede. Okay. I don't like to make it too heavy in the front of my eye because I have almond-shaped eyes and I want to make it, you know, my eye look big and wide. I'm actually going to use this dry, nothing on it brush to blend out the edges. I had a little highlighter on it, so, you know, whatever. There. What do we think? Okay, and then I think a little more of that henna underneath. Or should we go in with this darker shade Cocoa underneath? I think we go in with this one. I mean, for every day, again, you don't have to go underneath your eye. But when I'm doing my makeup, it's like, why not? Ooh, we like it. I use white in my inner waterline. I get red eyes so easy, and allergies in Austin are the worst. So I feel like this makes my eye look brighter, whiter, makes my eyes look more green, and then I use a dark mascara on the bottom. MAC Cosmetics mascara. It's not necessarily sweat proof for your under eye, so sometimes I'll get a Q-tip and just kind of like under the lashes, you know what I mean? Just to make sure it doesn't get everywhere. So we kiss those bottom lashes with the brush. I got a lot of them, so I want it to look chunky. But like, how much more open do we look? So first of all, I like to line my lips with this darker brown Buxom lip liner. They came out with this this power line. They used to have these bigger liners, and I use those too, but these are creamier. So I'm actually a big fan. So it goes on really creamy, but it stays on like it's matte almost. And then I just make some lines through the lip. And then I've been loving this lipstick by Kim K. This one is the Love shade, and it's this beautiful nude. By itself, it's way too light for me, but on top of this brown, fall magic happened.